Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. So in this video we will learn a little bit more. You can see that two of my YouTube channels are monetized, and this website is also monetized, and some couple of more websites are also monetized by Google AdSense. So I have enough experience in that, and definitely for approving from the Google AdSense, you should need 1000 visitors on your website on daily basis, and then you will actually approved by the Google AdSense. Okay, so now we will see that how much money you can earn with the Google AdSense. So for example, here we will just go to the hamariweb.com, which is our actually the target, and here you can see it's a quite bigger website, and you can see that it is displaying ads from the companies, and you will not only earn from the Google AdSense, but you can display the ads from certain companies, and you can get money from that companies as well. Okay, so in our case, for example, let's see how much visitors this website has. So if we go to the site boottraffic.com website, and if we paste here the link of that website and search, you can see that unfortunately this tool is now not working, I think, maybe. So we will just copy this again, and let's find out some other for site traffic. Okay, so let's see, we have similarweb.com, site for traffic, but anyhow we will just test on some other website. So let's try this Neil Patel website checker, and here we will just paste the link, and then we will just check the traffic, and this is traffic for the main website, and let's see how much traffic this will have. And you can see that it has around organic monthly traffic of this much. Okay, so 5 crore and 19 lakhs 27,000 something. And you can also see the domain authority is quite much backlinks. You can see the power of backlinking, and this much traffic is on the website monthly. Okay, so let's calculate this into daily traffic. Okay, so let's copy this figure, and then we will just go here, paste here. Okay, let's go to here, and let's make it divided by 30, and you can see that it is around 17 lakh and 30,000 19 and 919 approximately. You can say 1 million and 7 lakh something. Okay, so this much traffic we have on this website. Okay, we don't have, this website have this much traffic. So let's see how much earning he will get for this traffic daily. Okay, this is the daily traffic for this website. So let's copy this, and let's okay, just divided it with for example maybe 2000. Okay, and just make it equal to, and you can see that it is earning around $865 per day. Okay, this is the amount for per day, and we will just if we just multiply it with the 30 days, Then you can see it has earning of around 25,000, around $26,000 per month, which is a very great earning. So it means that you can earn a big amount from AdSense while surfing ad from Google AdSense. Okay, and this earning is only from Google AdSense, and definitely these other advertisers you can see in Phoenix, in this area here you can see in Phoenix, and in Phoenix will pay them a good enough money as well. So they are earning money from Google AdSense, and also they are earning money from these advertisers as well. So you can see that Google AdSense is a very great business, and we can earn great money from Google AdSense. That's it for this video. In next video we will move further.